Hey YouTube, welcome back to Dwayne's World. So do you want to find out how I stay cool mowing my Bermuda grass? Well, I got the answer right here. You want to find out more? Better stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back to Season 5, Episode 15 here on Dwayne's World. And this episode is a very unique episode because I'll be showing you guys and featuring for you guys a product that I think a lot of people could take advantage of, especially if you live in these hotter climates like I do here in Southern California. Where I live in Southern California, the temperatures can easily exceed 100 degrees during the summer months. Now, regardless of where you live in the United States, if you live in a climate that definitely exceeds those temperatures and potentially can be unsafe to be working outside, I have a product for you guys that might actually help remedy some of those issues. Now, I'm not going to say the product that I'm showing you guys is a replacement of hydration and really ensuring that you keep yourself safe whenever you're working out in these extreme temperatures. However, with that being said, this product is a great product to make it that much more comfortable when you're having to bear these hotter temperatures. And the product I'm talking about is a cooling vest by the company named Hennchee. Now, Hennchee actually reached out to me on my YouTube channel and actually asked if I was interested in featuring this product for you guys and sampling it, because I felt like it was something, regardless of whether or not you're into lawn care or any other outdoor activity, I think it will work for most people's application. Now, with all those things being said, let me grab the cooling vest and show you guys all the features and benefits of it and why it may actually work for your application. All right, guys, so here is the cooling vest. Now, one of the things you're going to notice right off the bat here is the color, as well as these reflective stripes here that you have running along the front and along the back. And I love this because of the fact that if you happen to work in more of a commercial application, this particular vest is also going to act as a safety vest to keep you safe in the workplace. Now, one of the things I'll also tell you that I absolutely love about this particular vest is the fact that it's 100% adjustable. So you don't have to worry about ordering the exact size or worry that it may not fit. Now, you have adjustment points throughout the vest. You have them up here on the shoulders where it's actually held together by Velcro, and you adjust that to your shoulders and really be able to fit it the way you'd want it to fit. Now, you also have side adjustments here that are also adjustable. Now, one of the things I'll tell you is that when you're actually going to use it, you do want this to actually fit snug. You don't want it fitting loosely onto your body. Now, the way the cooling vest actually works is that it actually comes with ice packs that you're going to load inside the vest. And there's a total of 6 locations where you're going to place those ice packs. You have one in the front here on the left side, one on the front on the right side, and 4 along the back, giving you a total of 6 ice packs you'll basically be wearing whenever you're using this cooling vest. Now, the great thing about the kit is the kit actually does include a total of 12 ice packs, which basically gives you the ability to rotate them, which I absolutely love. So let's go ahead and take a little bit closer look at the ice packs so you know exactly how to fill them up and what they look like before you actually install them into the cooling vest. All right, guys, so here are all the ice packs that you guys can see here. Now, Hennchee, again, does include 12 particular ice packs. And again, the reason for that is you're able to rotate them. If you plan on being outside longer, then these 6 ice packs will actually last. Now, I went ahead and just filled up 6 of them for the moment so I can show you guys what these look like before you actually go and fill them. Now, they do hold 400 milliliters of water. Now, you do not want to overfill these ice packs. You want to just keep it to the 400 milliliters. You basically just hold this portion open here and run it under running water, and that will basically fill up the ice pack, throw it in the freezer, and you'll be good to go. Again, you want to keep it at that 400 milliliters. Do not overfill it. Now, if you do overfill it, you do run the risk of possibly damaging the ice pack when it goes to freeze. Now, again, the reason for the 12 is so that way I can go ahead and use my 6. If I'm still outside longer and need more cooling, I have the backup 6 here and be able to constantly rotate them back and forth. And that's one of the things I absolutely love about this kit is it's going to allow you to be able to stay outside for an extended period of time because you can keep rotating these as long as you need them. All right, guys, so to basically load up the vest, all you do is there's a little Velcro strap that actually holds each of the pockets closed. You go ahead and open up one of those pockets, grab your ice pack, and all you're going to do is be able to feed it down into there and then go ahead and close it with the Velcro. And again, you're going to go through Again, you're going to go through, you're going to install 4 of the ice packs here on the back of the vest. There's 3 there. Number 4. Let me go and just put the 2 on the side here. One there. And last one on the opposite side. There we go. There we go. Let me just reposition my mic here. Sorry about that. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and zip it up. Now I have it already pre-adjusted for myself. And I'll show you guys how you adjust it. But now one of the things as I was zipping up, it's a little bit snug. And you do want it to be snug because you want those ice packs to be able to come in contact with your body. Now, like I mentioned earlier, there's 4 adjustment points. You have 2 on the side here. If I need to make this a little bit tighter, I can go ahead and just give that a tug, as well as the one here a little bit closer to the underarm. And then again, same thing on this side here. And again, I definitely do want this to be snug so I can maximize the cooling effect. All right, guys, so I got to tell you, regardless of how well this thing cools, it's really all about the comfort and whether or not it's comfortable to use when you're actually moving around. And I got to tell you, I was actually very surprised when I was out there in my lawn taking care of business. You know, it was actually very comfortable. I'd hardly even noticed that it was there outside of the fact that I had this cooling effect on my core. And I absolutely love that. Just made it that much more bearable as I'm out there in the heat, that I'm able to get through it and really kind of focus on what I'm doing versus worrying about how hot it is. Now, if you guys are interested in this vest and something you think might actually work out for you in the area in which you live or in the type of line of work you're in, go ahead and take a look at the description below, because I'll be linking this product as well as giving you guys a 10% discount if you are interested in picking one up. All right, guys, so I think that's going to about do it from here on Dwayne's World today. Again, I want to thank the people over at Hennchee for allowing this collaboration to happen. But at the same time, I really want to make sure everybody has the opportunity to be able to take advantage of being able to pick up something like this, because I think it's going to help, especially if you like doing that outdoor work, or again, you're in a line of work where you do have to work outside in this 100-degree weather. But this vest could really just help take that edge off and make it that much more comfortable for you to be able to accomplish what you need to do. Now, remember, the most important thing is not only to be safe in everything you do outside and keep yourself hydrated and cooled off, but also is to be excellent and party on.